अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अपनी आखिरत की भरपूर तैयारी कर रहे होंगे। दोस्तों, एक दो वीडियोज़ हाथ में लगी है जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा वायरल गई है और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद में आई है कि कम से कम इस फितने के दौर में इन मुश्किल तरीन हालात में भी जहाँ पर हर एक सेकेंड लोगों का हर एक रुपया और एक मिनट एक मीडिया का चैनल और सब चीज़ों की तरफ अगर आप गौर करें दोस्तों, तो ये सब हमारे कहीं ना कहीं तौर पर हमारी गुमराही का सबब बन रही है। तो ऐसे हालात में भी जब कोई इस्लाम कबूल करता है और वो तारीकियों से इस रोशनी की तरफ आता है तो बेशक इंसान खुश हो जाता है उससे और दिल को एक सुकून सा मिल जाता है कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अब भी अल्लाह का नाम लेने वाले लोग ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं और अल्लाह ताला की दीन की दावत हो रही है। तो ये एक वीडियो है दोस्तों, बल्कि दो वीडियोस है जिसमें दो बहनों ने इस्लाम कबूल किया है जहाज़ ही में। इनकी वीडियो आप मुकम्मल देख लें और इस वीडियो में ज़्यादा गौर करें अपने इस भाई पर दोस्तों, जो आप खुद सोच लें अगर हम जहाज़ में हो। पहले ये वीडियो आप लोग देख लें और इस बात की तरफ आप ध्यान दें कि अगर जब भी हम जहाज़ में कहीं सफ़र करते हैं तो सारा दिन फेसबुक पर पोस्ट वगैरह और स्टोरीज़ वगैरह डालते हैं कि हम आज आ गए, हम आज एरोप्लेन में हमने सफ़र किया, या कोई गाने वगैरह सुन रहा होता है। लेकिन ये इंसान, इसको मैं जानता नहीं हूँ कि ये कौन है और ये जहाज़ में उड़ते वक्त इस वक्त भी ये अल्लाह की दीन की दावत दे रहा है और उसको मालूम नहीं था कि ये लड़की इस्लाम भी कबूल करेगी, लेकिन वो फिर इस्लाम कबूल कर लेती है। तो इस वीडियो को गौर से एंड तक लाजमी देखिए। इसके बाद एक और बहन की वीडियो भी है और कोशिश करें कि जितना हो सके इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करें। अल्लाह ताला इस एक बहन की वीडियो काफ़ी सारे लोगों की हिदायत का सबब बनाए।
He's a messenger of God. He has been revealed. There's a real truth in this book as well. Yes, right? Do you believe there's nothing worthy of worship except Allah? Nothing worthy of worship except Allah. Correct? If you believe in all of this, Nicole, you're a Muslim. You're a Muslim. I'm not. This is what Islam is. If you would like, I would like for you to see the words in Arabic. Should I tell you the try? Yeah. Okay. Don't worry. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah. I'm sorry. No, it's okay. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammad abduhu wa rasul. I'm going to say it in English. I bear witness that there's nothing worthy of worship, except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is a servant and final messenger of Allah. You're a Muslim. SubhanAllah. Allahu Akbar. May Allah. Right now, Allah has taken all of your sins, all of your bad deeds, remove them and replace them as mountains of good deeds. Can you believe that? Every single mistake you've ever made is now a good deed for you. You said that your husband was interested in Islam. He's been studying Islam for 8 months, but you accepted Islam before him. Think about it. It is Allah. He is the one who establishes the faith in your heart. Not you, not anyone. When he knows you're ready, he delivers his message. It's a miracle, isn't it? Yes. SubhanAllah, you're a Muslim. Allahu Akbar, SubhanAllah. How does that feel? It feels great. Oh my God, it feels great. SubhanAllah. May the Almighty continue to bless you. You have my number. We're going to stay constant communication. Yes. Trust me. We have to. Honestly, this has to be one of the most blessed conversations I've ever had. And I appreciate your time. I appreciate you. It's not being silent. It is Allah who wanted you to sit next to you. You understand? Yeah. We need to remove The part we think it's us, it's not us. It is Allah. It is divine revelation. It is divine course that allows. You see, the same way the sun, the moon, and everything orbits and it swims. You understand? It is by His planning and preparation and design. Okay? Everything moves in orbit in our lives by His planning as well. I'm supposed to sit here because Allah has brought me from New York to Arkansas to come and deliver this message to you. That was it. That was it. You weren't supposed to go to Vegas. You weren't supposed to. That was an excuse for us to meet. Yeah. Understand? That was an excuse for us to meet. And alhamdulillah. That means all praise is to Allah. Say alhamdulillah. 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 That means all praise and thanks is to Allah. That He brought us together. You understand? It wasn't me. I wish I could say it was me. It wasn't me. I'm just a regular dude. You know, I've made mistakes in my life. I've done things in my life. But it is Allah who's chosen me to help you. And now He's chosen me to help someone else. So continue to read and study this. I will. Thank you. May the Almighty continue to bless you. La illa Allah. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammad abduhu wa rasulahu. Okay, you Nabina, right? You believe, right? I believe, right? Prayer, class? No, prayer? Solamente a Dios. Solamente a Dios. Dios no hijo, no tijo, no familia, nothing. No, nada, right? Only Allah, only God, right? A nombre de Dios, el nombre, right? The idea de Dios, a nombre de Dios es Allah es nombre de Dios. Allah, nombre es Dios, okay? Okay. To repetir que no only pray a Dios Allah, okay? As to believe that Muhammad is prophet, final prophet a Dios. Jesus as prophet a Dios. See, I mean, and Muhammad as prophet a Dios. Okay, you as Muslim, no Catholic. See, you Muslim. Yes, Muslim. Do not as Catholic. MashaAllah, barakallah, MashaAllah, barakallah. Amazing. Okay, thank you so much. SubhanAllah. What was this?